Hi everybody, today we've got my parallel charging board and yeah, I'll show you how to use it properly. So the first thing is to connect it to your charger. For this purpose I'm using IMAX B6 Lipo charger. Not just Lipos, all kinds of batteries I can charge with it. So yeah, but this one is good example of pretty cheap and powerful charger, so you can pick it up from eBay or somewhere. It's look for fake copies, but yeah, there's many of them, but have a look. So I've got connected this parallel charging board is connected with my charger. I'm using a 6S wire. It's this wire is inset with parallel board, so very easy. You don't need to buy it separate or anything. It's everything come together. And I've got there's the instruction here from Banggood.com how to use it, but I'll tell you how to use it. Make sure your batteries are within as close voltage as possible to each other. So if one is discharged and another is maximum charge, don't use something like this. Make sure they're very similar in discharge, and the ideal will be 0.1 volt difference, but yeah, if it's 0.2 it's not a big deal. They'll balance each other without any big problems. So for this purpose I'm using my Tattoos 1300 milliamp hours. Yeah, so I've got connected XT60s in the middle and balance plug corresponding to how many cells per battery I've got. So for 4S plug here, 4S, 4S, 4S. So I've got 4 of these, and that'll give me 5.2 amp altogether. Then I'll be charging them on 1S, which is perfect. But I've decided to go for 5 amps maximum, because 0.2 amps is just very little difference, so it doesn't matter. You can always remember, you can always charge your batteries on lower rate, so it's not a big deal. So let's have a look. Lipo charge, Lipo battery. We'll go to Lipo balance setting. I've already got it on 5 amps because usually when I'm charging single batteries, I'm working on 1.3 amps. That'll give me that option. But today I'll crank it up to 5 amps. So this charger can take 6 amps altogether, but that's a maximum for this charger here. It says here 1 charging rate 0.1 to 6 amps. So I'm working on 5 amps, which is not maximum, and I want this charger to be as long functional as possible, so I don't want to crank it up to right maximum. So I'll be working on 5 amps and then 14.8 volt, which is 4S. Okay, and just click confirm and then click confirm, and as you can see I'm charging Lipo 4S Lipo at 5 amps altogether. That's my voltage during charging, pretty high, but they're nearly full already because I've tried before this video and it's working good. So then we've got balance charging time since I've started charging, and then how many milliamp hours it took already since that time. So when you go to cells, as you can see there, and I've got during charging time I've got 4.05 volts, 4.02, 03, 05. So they balancing each other. Charger thinks that is just 4-cell battery, but parallel board will cheat it a little bit and it will show it like, you know, charger thinks it's 4S battery, but parallel board will make it to 12S battery. Look like it's 12S because there's 12 cells and balancing each other in parallel configuration, and that's it. That's why I've got a little bit jumping numbers here, because they're balancing each other. There's 12 cells to be balanced. So yeah, that'll cut your time, charging time, by 4, because during one session you can charge 4 batteries at the same time. So that's awesome. I've got another 2 batteries over here, which are a little bit different voltage on them. So I'll charge them together. So I'll charge 4 now and then 2 later on. And then I've got another 2 batteries, 2 3S's. There they are, so in here. So I've got these Nanotech's 3S's just for my line of sight flying. So yeah, that's a different story anyway. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, boys, and see you from somewhere in the middle of the field. I'll be flying because for now, you know, weather is not the best, and I'm just testing stuff and working on my drone, make sure everything will work good when weather will be a lot better. So thanks for watching, and yeah, that was my parallel charging board from Banggood, and it works alright. So as you can tell, it took already 192 milliamp hours. So yeah, and it's going strong. It's not even warm, it's a little bit, but you know, we're working on 5 amps at the same time. Batteries are ice cold, so yeah, everything working good. So see you later, and thumbs up, boys. Thank you.